Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this cordless hair clipper. I already had this for over 3 months now, and this is a great addition to my hair grooming needs. So it comes with this adjustable clipper, so you can adjust the blades, and it has a different clicks, which makes it easier. It's cordless, and then here's your plug for it. It's very easy to use, very sharp, very lightweight, and it feels good in the hands. And it even comes with a tea trimmer. Same thing, very sharp. And it works very good. It's cordless also. That plug has a good grip to it. And then it comes with all these different combs. It comes with the half comb all the way to number 8 combs. And then for the tea trimmer, it comes with 1 through 4 combs also. And it has this convenient carrying case, a zipper, and it even has a handle on here. So it makes it very easy to carry and hold. And then you can store all your combs in here. So it's very convenient, very handy to bring around with you, and it even brings the 2 chargers to charge it. Battery life lasts a long time, and charging it charges to a full charge in about an hour. So let me show you how to use this. So I'm going to use the number 5 comb. You slide it on, and it clips very easily onto here. Then you turn it on, and then you start cutting. And it cuts very smooth, does not pull the hair, and very nice, and glides through the hair as it's cutting. This is great for fades and all different type of haircuts. It's great for all different hair types. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post the link in the description, and you could buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great cordless hair clipper set. I like that it comes with the 2 clippers, and I like how the main clipper, that it has the adjustable blade. The battery life lasts a long time, and it comes with a lot of different combs, which is very good. And I like how it's easy to charge and it's easy to use to cut the hair. And the case is very convenient to carry everything on in one spot, just to keep everything organized.